Good afternoon. It's been 2 months already since I posted a video. It's been really complicated, everything here as well in Germany. The prices, gas, petrol, everything, everything is getting expensive. It's completely madness what's going on in the world and with Russian. Really sad what's going on, and it's just being tough here. I mean, okay, I've got a job, I've got a full-time job, but working, expensive, family, the prices have gone up, inflation. It's just unbelievable what's going on. It is. I couldn't imagine, that this whole situation is happening. This is just. I don't know what to say to this. I'm 35 years old, and I can't believe in what kind of world we're living, and things getting complicated, and so private life was always a bit busy. So I have some time now to look in the charts, show you a few things, and this is an update. So 2 months ago was my last update. 3 months I made a small video here about Truebit and unlock protocol. 3 months ago, title the reason why this might be the bottom for Bitcoin. Okay, I explained everything in these videos. So the funny thing is, 3 months and nothing big changed. Okay, I didn't miss anything, and I bought my coins, which I'm holding for the long term, and I had lovely 3 months time to put some spare money in my long-term positions, and no stress. Okay, I didn't miss the boat. Okay, so everything is fine. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so dollar had a huge run up here. Okay, it's just a question how long this can take here. Okay, this is completely bonkers now. Okay, so let's see. Nothing. Let's see. Maybe we have to go in the weekly to see what's happening. This looks like a mess here, I know, but so we had a really crazy run here. Unbelievable. So, but I must say, dollar price went up, but overall, the market, the last 3 months, nothing big changed. Okay, so I think what's happening at the moment is since we have this inflation, interest rates going up, everything is going up. The market has been stable in crypto. Okay, so I think the reason for that is maybe that just hodling money in your bank account with the inflation and everything else doesn't make much profit. Okay, that has been a while ago already in Germany. So okay, so maybe also in other countries that might be the reason why people might move their money a bit more in maybe some ETFs or something, or in crypto market or something, with the hope make some extra money. Okay, but life is not always like that. But I can imagine that. Okay, so let's get to the fact. So dollar is still rising here. Doesn't look like that is correcting at the moment. It's still really ranging high here. There's a beautiful buy signal on the weekly. I should remember that. Beautiful sell signal as well here. I should remember that if I want to trade this one here. But normally I just watch like the 2-day chart here. So still, running high. Still hoping, for a dump soon. But at the moment, nobody knows. Okay, this is not so stable, this one. Okay, I would say this is not stable. Okay, it's not healthy. I would love to see much more correction down here, then maybe move up. And this is, this is almost straight up. This is just bonkers here. Okay. Let's see I haven't seen the total market cap. I haven't prepared here anything, so just checking, and you get my reaction. Oh yeah, okay. So okay, this is where we left last time. Okay, it's at fourth and maybe then a fifth wave up. So the problem with the fourth wave is it's just in my opinion too low. Okay, I would love to see this more higher here. I would love to see this somewhere here. It doesn't move here. Somewhere here. So somewhere here, but we went quite low, so I don't know if this is really valid at the moment. But overall, we could see some surprise. Okay, so this might be just a healthy correction down now to this level here. And this is daily chart, and let's see, daily chart 17 October when we bottom. Okay, June. So yeah, okay, June, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, 3 months we're just hovering around. Okay, nothing happened here. We're just going sideways. It's just moving sideways. Nothing big move. No big move. It's just, this looks like really good. Okay, if we go for the fifth wave and I bought in this area in the 3 months here, and we go up here, I bought the bottom. Okay, this is what I'm just saying. So that's good. I would be happy if we start moving up from here. I would be happy. Okay, so the total crypto market, it's just down. Looks, sideways move. I hope this stays a bit stable. Okay, worst case scenario is that we're gonna come down here in this level here, and we get what? Let's see, another 30%. That will be quite ugly, but okay, let's see. And that's it for this here. So let's see if this stays stable. It has been stable, and I still have the feeling that we have bottom. Okay, in my video I posted 3 months ago, as I told you the reasons, so I will not get big into that. By the way, this is on my Samsung tablet, so that's why it's maybe a bit weird to watch it. So my 2-day chart, I love my 2-day chart. Okay, I predicted this long time ago. I said I still see a C wave down here. I said this before, and this is my last mark here, and we are in this area. So I'm just gonna update this now. So just gonna take this away. So we had a sell signal big here, sell signal down here, all the way down. We had a small buy signal here. Let me just pull this up a bit higher. So if you bought on the buy signal, yeah, that would be nice. And then we had a huge dump again, buy again now. So we're still in this range down here, which has a big history, this channel, I would say, because every time we came down to this channel, we start moving up. Okay, so the problem here on my 2-day chart is we have the 200 MA above us, we have the trend wave up here, we have the Ichimoku cloud, we have a lot of resistance up above us. So then we need to kick in to break this here. Worst case scenario, as I mentioned here, is another dump down here somewhere in the 12K area. It is possible that the channel goes slightly down here, moves down, and the candles move down as well here, and we come down to this zone here. Okay, I would say there's a massive buy opportunity then in this zone here. I don't think there's a chance that we slip to 10K, but I would personally see this still as a last bottom area for this moment. But overall, in the 3 months, we just I didn't miss anything. Okay, that was like, whoa, we're going up, and then we came all the way down. So on a 2-day chart, you know, you just nothing happened. Okay, still hovering at the 90K, and so quite good. So I didn't miss anything big here at this point. Love to see the, you know, the 2-day buy here is always tricky. The sell signal is always tricky. You know, it can fail. It can be a nice run for a few days. This is still active. Okay, it's not failed yet because I don't have a sell signal. So this is still a active buy signal at the moment for me. Okay, so let's see if we can start, you know, take this as a support here. Why can't I draw? Oh, okay, here. You know, move here and, you know, start getting in the Ichimoku cloud, get to this certain points, maybe to 28, but there will be a big resistance here. Okay, we haven't touched that Ichimoku cloud here. The trend wave is coming down here. So I do expect some big resistance here in the 24K zone here. We might get, you know, a rejection here, come down. Let's see if we get support, or worst case, we're just gonna start dumping in the 12K zone. Okay. Next, let's see what my daily chart is saying. Yeah. So on the daily chart, as you can see, channel here. We went in that channel, we came up, we're just dancing on that channel. Ooh, what I do see here, what I do like to see is, okay, the trend wave down here was here, squeezed here, then it went bigger, came down, and now he's getting closer again. So let's see if we can start at least get above and start getting a greenish buy wave trend here. That will be nice. What I also said is the hash ribbons, you know, it is on a buy signal since August. Okay, in the history, if you look this up here, it hasn't really failed. Okay, every time a buy signal came, we had a big run here. It always takes a while before, you know, start moving, but so that makes me like a second, you know, consider that we might bottom out. Okay, let's see what my 6 hour is telling me, because I love to trade the 6 hours on Bitcoin. Yeah, we do have a buy signal here. Buy. What is this here? This is a mess here. These are 3 indicators here above. Yeah, so, you know, we went in the Ichimoku cloud, came out, up, retesting. Let's see if we can break this now at least, and start moving to the 24K area here. Okay, we've been a lot of sideways movement here, nothing missing, everything is good. So if we start breaking above the 200 MA, it's just a matter of time that we're gonna reach at least 20K. If we start breaking that, I'm looking forward for the around about 24K here. Okay, so that looks good to me. Let's see what Ethereum is saying at the moment. So on Ethereum, if you don't know this, I like to play the 4 hour because I don't hardly do leverage trading. If I do have time, I do it, but I don't normally have time. So buy trend here, long, buy. Okay, everything is showing me buy at the moment. Yeah, looks good. We are above the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, we have support. We're just holding against the 200 MA at the moment. Possible move here if we surpass this, you know, first around about 1400 zone here, and then hopefully higher to the 1400. If we start moving higher here, oh yeah, 1600, yeah, maybe last chance. Okay, because there is some resistance in that zone here. I'm overall long at the moment. Ethereum didn't do much, okay, since September. It was just moving sideways, okay. Nothing big happened. So if you bought an Ethereum, you're good, okay, you're good to go. You might get a small run up here, and then we might see another correction. I don't know that. We will have to see. I will check this on the daily chart quick here. Yeah, so the channel here is a bit different on Ethereum. It doesn't work so well, but what you do see here is the trend wave is greenish, okay. It's greenish, 200 MA above us, okay. Looks good, I like that, okay. Since I'm long at the moment, I like that, okay. I'm long in Ethereum, long Bitcoin at the moment for a while, just at least to get to my to my targets, and then after that I will sell a bit because I'm a bit worried about the situation in the market at the moment, that we might see another huge dump, okay. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. Okay, Truebit. Yeah, Truebit looks also quite stable, and it's just going sideways. Okay, we said June, August. Okay, it's just moving sideways. Went a bit lower here. It's just still hovering in the 30-cent zone here. We did have a small breakout here. Okay, this line goes from above here down here, and if you zoom in, it has been a small breakout here, retest now. So let's see if this goes a bit higher. I would love to see this run now, but it's making me quite hard, okay. Would love to see this here in the 36 cent area here, but it just doesn't make a move, okay. It's just making sideways move, small waves here, but the waves are getting smaller. So maybe whales are buying, I don't know, but I'm still holding this, got this, bought this, holding it, okay, and will not sell it at the moment. Unlock protocol, yeah, that has been also a worse thing, okay, but overall, it's just making sideways move. Had a small dump here, and it's back about $10-11 at the moment. I didn't buy more from this one at the moment since I just want to keep a portion, not much. Most of my money goes to Truebit at the moment, but for now it just stick with that what I have. If we get to the $30 area here, I will sell a bit, okay, maybe half or something, and keep the rest and leave it run at the moment. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. So if you haven't watched my last videos and the video 3 months ago, have a look. And overall, yeah, I'm short-term bullish at the moment, okay. Looks good, looks stable. Overall, what I'm seeing here, we never know what's going to happen tomorrow, the next day, whatever, next week. But I'm at the moment long with this whole scenario, what I'm seeing, okay. And don't stress yourself, okay. I don't stress myself with this, okay. I do watch the chart once in a while, have a look what's going on, if I want to buy some more. And sometimes I do have time to do leverage trading, but I hardly have time at the moment for that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay safe. Okay, see you next time.